Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today I will take on the challenge of making a whole drawing with little dots, that is with Pointillism. If you haven't subscribed to Fine Art Tips yet, I recommend you to do so and also to click on the bell so that you can get a notification every time we upload a new video. I already sketched 3 horses, so I know where to put the dots. I begin with the white to pull the lights. I can do this because I chose to use a toned paper. If I were using a white paper, the white marker would not show, obviously. Our light source is on the left, and therefore we place the highlights on that side. Okay, good. Now, with a dark gray, I draw some of the darker shading. Of course, everything that we will do today will be with dots. Hundreds, actually thousands of little dots. Let's draw the nostrils and mouth and reinforce some of the shading. This horse is galloping towards us. Alright. And let's do the other ones. Now with these 2 colors, I'll begin the background. The horses will be running in shallow water, but for right now, we will do the sky. The lower part with purple and brown, and further up, it will be yellowish. I add the purple with dots more or less apart one from another. The further up, the more apart, and then I start to mix in orange. And then further up, there will be no more purple, just orange. You can make a nice and soft transition in this way with this technique. There are many dots, many dots. As you see, I go in different directions. This also to break up the pattern, since I don't want the dots to be aligned visibly. I mean creating lines. And in trying to speed the process up, I'm trying to draw with 2 markers at a time. At least for the areas where I want both colors, this goes a little bit faster. I have been at this for many hours by now. This is a tough challenge. Tough, but very enjoyable. There are a few things that I find as relaxing as making dots. And let's add some yellow to mix it in with the orange. It shows greenish because as it is transparent, it mixes with the blue of the paper. Alright, the sky is getting there. I add some more purple. And wow, my hand is all cramped up by now. I have been working on this drawing for about 6 hours now, I think. I didn't time it exactly. And now let's do the water. By the way, the list of materials is in the description below the video. We want to create some little waves, so we darken some areas by adding more dots. And here will be a reflection area with orange and yellow. And now let's add some splashing of the water and reflections with a white marker. Pointillism, this amazing technique of drawing or painting with dots of different colors, comes from the late 1880s when Georges Seurat and Paul Signac developed it, branching from the Impressionism movement. I wonder what they were thinking, this takes forever. I'm kidding, it is a beautiful and, as I said earlier, an enjoyable technique. But it was quite a challenge, and in case you want to watch more videos of challenges, I will link the playlist at the end of this one. Very good, excelente! We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe to find out tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.